smell that? Mm-hmm. Cause you know outside be smelling like bounce that ass sometimes. So you need this scent. You know, this is a natural air freshener. That's what we do here. We freshen the air. We for the public. No, I'm not sold out. I got 22 cans and 2 jugs of pinesol left for purchase. I sent for 6 cans. Thank you. Period. Let me check for the puzzle. No puzzle, but I definitely got a restriction. Can't stand US TikTok. Let me shut up before they take my page. Period. Thank you so much for the 6 cans, Suds loving. Okay, y'all, so now we got 22 minus 6, 16. 16 cans and 2 jugs of pinesol left for purchase. This tote deep as hell. Shoot. Can y'all send to me? I'm crying. Hey, Liz. Wait, Nessa, let me sell out first. Damn. Can we... This is the whole tote. Oh, can you have the whole tote? Absolutely. Absolutely. Come get it, and it's on wheels. When you coming? The liquids is fighting back. What is going on in here tonight? I thought I had not enough liquid, but I guess I had plenty. Cause what? 52 left to sell out, chat, period. Shout out to the Big Bag Baddies for sending that coin and making this live possible tonight. We appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much for sending. I got another bag of aroma. We did one aroma dump with one bag. The other bag, I'm gonna let Nessa decide how she wanted to go in. Nessa, you want me to season powder with that bag, or you want me to dump again? Cindy, I don't know. I'm finna restart the live. I think my tap's not working or something. Ain't no way. I know y'all tapping. It can't be y'all. I ain't even gonna put that on y'all. I know that ain't y'all. Y'all be done had me to 100K already. It's TikTok. Hating ass. This is so good. Seasoned powder is cans and laundry together on a powder bomb. So when I layer the powder, layered powder is what seasoned powder is. Man, these mugs full of juice. Good God Almighty. Y'all watch this. Y'all seen that? Hold on, watch this one. I'm talking about in it. Okay. What one? Dump one? Okay, period. We ain't gonna dump just yet though, y'all. Y'all gotta stay tuned if y'all wanna see the dump. Boo! Bark like you want it. Bark like you want it, baby. Hey, Ash. Man, I missed the first one. Go on do the second one. We might can go on do the second one. Hold on. Thank y'all for the gifts. Thank you so much. Ooh, that got dusty. Damn. All right, y'all. I'm having a little too much fun tonight. I am enjoying this. It is so good and watery. What y'all talking about? That's probably squeezing so tea. It eats. She turned the double squeeze into a side squeeze. Call that the side piece. Okay. We still got 2, 4, 6, 8 pounds.